What's up, everybody? It's your boy Handy Danny, and you can see here that I have a knockdown, a prehung, whatever you want to call it. I've heard so many different names, but you can see right here, here's the hole, right here. And these little guys right here, these little clips, I've never seen these before, but I love them. They're so awesome. All you do is you take this clip and you put it right here on the casing, and you screw that in right there, and you're able to get it to where you're easily able to put this door in, and it's gonna sit right inside the opening. All right, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this door, we're just gonna sit it right here inside the opening. And this is how you prep a door for a prehung. And it's really that simple. You can see the door sits plumb, it sits flush. Now I'm just gonna get the door level, and we're gonna do that in the next video. So make sure you subscribe, make sure that you are looking out for the follow-up video next week on how to actually set this door. Thanks for watching, peace out.